Hello, my name's Kit Beaudry with MarineMax Pensacola, and today we're going to take you on a walkthrough of one of our most recent trades, a 2016 Boston Whaler 370 Outrage. This particular boat is powered with triple 300 Mercury Verados. Moving into the cockpit area, you'll notice a large bench seat across the transom that does tuck away. You have a great summer kitchen area with your cooktop stove, your sink, electric grill with lots of storage beneath. Off to the port side over here, you have your dive door. Deploy a ladder, pull your fish in, great for diving. Moving forward to the helm, this boat's equipped with Raymarine GS 165s with your vessel view gauges, autopilot, all of your controls. We've also done a command mic up top, ICOM 604. Triple helm seats with bolsters. Down below in the cabin, AC, nice little berth with a head, refrigerator. Moving forward, notice a large sun pad, great seating up on the bow with an electric table that moves up and down. Cushions as well all the way around. This boat also has a custom JL Audio sound system that was installed by MarineMax Pensacola. And we also included open array radar up top. This is a turnkey 2016 370 Outrage here at MarineMax Pensacola. Thank you for watching.